స్వప్న గారిని అడిగి తెలుసుకున్న కొన్ని విషయాలు మనం ఎన్బిఎస్ గురించి. హాయ్ స్వప్న గారు.
Hi,
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
I'm good, thank you.
Actually, NBS means, what is the full form of NBS?
So it's Nerve Blood Screen Medical Services. Yeah.
When you started this one?
This is a 5-year-old company, and it initially, like sir already mentioned, Mr. Nishant already mentioned, that it started with a cluster of his relatives, where he was trying to help the relatives, especially his grandmom, in delivering her samples to the diagnostic center, and that's how the idea, and he realized that there is a market for such a requirement, and he established this company as a company where he will be able to give home sample collection service to the patients, especially elderly ones and the busy professionals who are unable to reach to the diagnostic centers because of their work commitments.
In COVID time, so many hurdles are you find. Some of you share with us.
Yeah, so
What type of hurdles you face,
Yes.
whether it is by patients or whether it is commerciality.
Okay. So mainly COVID was the time when our nation, rather the whole world, was undergoing a lot of mental stress about the kind of effect the COVID will have on their health, and whether will it be able to whether we would be able to get a vaccine, or whether people will, if anybody gets positive, will they be able to recover. So having these kind of inhibitions in the mind of patients was the biggest challenge. When the patient would call us, they would be so nervous, they would be so scared that mere cough or mere cold or running nose, they were so scared that they were thinking they were already positive, and then they would certainly die. So this was one of the, I would not say a challenge, but yes, one of the it's an inborn feature of the particular COVID virus, that it is making the whole world become very nervous, and this was one of the thing that COVID while we were handling COVID, we realized.
Okay, well, actually the COVID time starts in India, I think in March 22nd.
Correct.
What is the difference of March and this month, after this month? Any cases are increasing in NBS?
See, about if you talk about March 22nd was our day when the nation underwent the first lockdown, and 23rd March onwards it was like for 15 days, and then so on. So we started once the lockdown was like partially released, and then we were allowed to give the RT-PCR test in our nation. It was launched. So NBS Nerve Blood was the first company to deliver home sample collection service for RT-PCR. So I would like to thank all our technicians who came forward in such a fearful situation, also to risk their lives and help our patients. That is the first thing, that was the USP for Nerve Blood. Second thing, if you're asking about the volume, or if you're asking about the number of patients, so as we started doing it just spread like a forest fire. So once people realize that there is someone coming home and doing a test, and there is no social stigma attached with it, because in India, if you say, a lot of people were vacated from their houses. If any one person is having COVID positive in his family, the whole family was requested to leave the apartment and go away to the village, or take isolation somewhere. So in such a situation, when we started delivering RT-PCR test at home, people were very comfortable, and their social stigma was also controlled. So this is how it was. And yes, cases, if you ask, early days when we started, there was a very huge, like the moment we started, within 15 days we had hundreds and hundreds of calls coming in, and our technicians, our technicians were unable to cater to the requirement. We had to hire more and more people. Of course, even technicians had that mental discomfort of taking up a COVID work, but still we convinced them, and we got them in the system, and that's how we met the demand. But of course now it is relaxed, and people, a person cannot be controlled to stay at home for long time. So it is relaxed now people are free. I mean, they are moving without mask, they are also going out, and they are living their life. Pre-COVID and post-COVID has now become almost same. There is only 80-90% of difference.
Actually 60 to 70 members are there in our NBS for
Yes.
collecting home sample, COVID or non-COVID. I think it is very grateful to say that even one person also not affected with COVID. How it is possible?
Yeah, because Nishant.
So many cases are there. So many cases COVID positive. You are entering and taking the samples.
Yes.
Even one person is also not affected. How it is possible?
Yes, firstly because our MD is certified from WHO, and he has percolated the infection control protocols in the system. Even our office boy knows how to handle the sample. If there is any sample lying in front of us, he knows how to deal with it. So we are very strong on our infection control protocols, and thereby with our good luck also we can say that yes, by our team's maturity to handle sample and God's grace, we are lucky that so far we have not got anyone infected with COVID. I would not say the population falling sick or getting infection from COVID has come down. I would say that number of people started doing home sample collections and number of people adopting RT-PCR as a test in diagnostic center has increased. Thereby the market has got market share. I mean, each one is getting a market share.
Comparing to that negative positive ratio, how it will be there?
No, it is stable. It is stagnant. For every 100, if we are getting 10 positive, it is a stagnant ratio. At least what we have studied in our organization.
Per 100, it is getting 10 positive.
I'm just giving an example. Yes, I'm just giving an example.
Earlier
That
it is.
no, that's what I am saying. The ratio is same.
Okay.
Only you talking about volume. The volume is getting scattered with lot of other players.
But good thing is symptoms are not.
Yeah, lot of cases are asymptomatic.
Asymptomatic cases.
Yes.
So mainly that international traveling purpose only they are taking.
Yes.
I think
Yes. Since ours is an ICMR accredited facility where we are getting our samples processed, so of course our reports are being used by a lot of travelers who want to travel abroad.
Okay. And one more thing, this any COVID second wave we are thinking that one. Any say you have any idea
Yes,
about
there are lot of
number of tests. No?
Yes,
you
there
have a particular idea. Any second wave is there?
correct. If you study about other nations, who I think Italy and other nations already the second wave has begun. So I will not be the right person to say how second wave will be coming to India or whether it will be realized that it has come.
Okay.
I would not be the competent authority to say that.
I am not asking like that.
Yeah.
Being a medical CEO, you are doing some number of thousands of tests. No?
Yeah.
You have any idea about this one?
About second wave?
Second wave.
Like I said, second wave is already begin in some of the nations. Some of the
Not
nations
India.
have already gone into lockdown.
Okay.
And I think the population of India, unless it is like a very bad situation where the death toll has increased, I personally don't think the second wave is as such going to affect.